Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we have something that's both practical and stylish, the TECKNET wireless mouse in mint green.
If you're tired of noisy clicking and need a reliable mouse that matches your style, this might be the one for you. Stick around as we dive into its features, performance, and overall value.
Let's kick things off with a quick overview.
The TECKNET wireless mouse comes in a lovely mint green color, perfect for adding a touch of color to your workspace. It's designed for those who appreciate a quiet and comfortable clicking experience, making it ideal for both work and leisure. Now, let's talk features. One standout feature of this mouse is its silent click technology. That means no more annoying clicking sounds during late-night work sessions or when you're in a quiet environment. Plus, it's incredibly comfortable to use for extended periods. The mouse is compact and ergonomic, fitting nicely in your hand. It's not too big, making it a great option for people with smaller hands.
The mint green color adds a stylish touch, making it a perfect accessory for your computer setup.
The TECKNET wireless mouse connects via USB and is incredibly easy to set up.
Just plug in the included receiver, and you're good to go.
No complicated pairing processes to worry about. One feature that's essential for any wireless mouse is power saving mode. This mouse automatically goes into sleep mode after a few minutes of inactivity, helping you conserve battery life. It runs on a single AA battery, and it can last up to 15 months on one battery. That's impressive.
Now, let's talk performance.
This mouse uses optical technology for precise tracking and responsive cursor movement. It has 3 adjustable DPI levels, allowing you to customize the sensitivity to your liking. Whether you're using it for productivity tasks, browsing the web, or even some light gaming, this mouse performs admirably. The silent clicks are a real game changer, and I appreciate the smooth and accurate tracking.
To give you a broader perspective, let's take a look at some user reviews.
The TECKNET wireless mouse has received positive feedback from users who appreciate its quiet operation, comfortable design, and reliable performance. It's clear that many find it to be a great value for the price. In conclusion, the TECKNET wireless mouse in mint green is a fantastic option if you're looking for a reliable and stylish mouse that won't break the bank. Its silent click technology, comfortable design, and impressive battery life make it a compelling choice for various users. If you have smaller hands and appreciate a quieter clicking experience, this mouse might be a perfect fit for you. Just be mindful of those side buttons. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with this mouse, please leave a comment below.
Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.